Replacement Guide of MP600 Replacement Kit for Allen Bradley PanelView 600 Plus. Before installing, make sure the power is off and keep the terminal in a flat, clean, and secure place. Open back bezel carefully using small flat screwdriver. Then unplug touchscreen and LCD. Pull out the control board and pull out the backlight inverter and unplug backlight cables. Now, follow these steps to replace your LCD. Step 1. Using pliers, squeeze flaps and pull out the control board bracket from the housing. Do it for all 4 flaps. Keep it aside in secure place. Step 2. Using small flat screwdriver, detach LCD from the LCD holder. It may have glued, so try a little harder but not too much. The plastic over time becomes brittle and seems to break easily. Step 3. Our MP600 LCD is slightly larger than original NL3224BC35-20R. Since there are no direct replacements available, T2 Industrial has modified a better option to make it work with PanelView 600 Plus. Due to its bigger size, it won't fit in the LCD holder. So, we have to make a small modification as shown here. We need to remove LCD holding flaps. Step 4. Using a small wire cutter, cut the base of the flap from both sides and then cut it from the center. It will remove the flap from base, leaving minimal burrs. Follow same step for all flaps. Step 5. Using rotary tool, remove the remaining burrs from the LCD holder to flatten the surface. Do this for all flaps. Step 6. Due to grinding, there must be small plastic particles all over the touchscreen. These particles are not easy to wipe off due to electrostatic attraction. To remove it, use tape as shown here. Attach and peel the tape covering the whole touchscreen to clean it without damaging the touchscreen. Step 7. Clean the touchscreen using a lens wipe. It must contain alcohol, not water. Step 8. Take the MP600 and remove the protective layer. Take 3M double-sided tape and attach it to both vertical sides of the LCD. Step 9. Peel off the cover of the 3M tape using any small knife. Step 10. Clean the LCD and make sure the touchscreen surface is clean. Step 11. Take 2 thin knives and hold it on the flaps on either side. Now slide the LCD in and press it against the touch side to secure it. Step 12. Insert control board housing. And now you're done. Visit T2Industrial.com to learn more.